Think being an e-commerce brand ambassador is just about taking the perfect selfie and slapping on a filter? Is it all about chasing likes and fleeting trends? Think again. There's a lot more depth and strategy involved than meets the eye. It's not just about looking good, it's about doing good for the brand and its customers. The real job is about building trust, establishing a solid foundation of credibility and reliability. It's about answering real questions, addressing concerns, and providing helpful information to potential buyers. It's about sharing honest experiences, giving genuine feedback, and showcasing the true value of the products. And it's about connecting with customers on a personal level, fostering a sense of community and belonging. Ambassadors are the bridge between faceless brands and real people, humanizing the company and making it more relatable. They're turning skepticism into loyalty, transforming hesitant shoppers into dedicated fans. Why do companies invest in this kind of relationship? Because trust is the new currency online. It's the most valuable asset a brand can have. In a world saturated with fake reviews and overwhelming flashy ads, where consumers are constantly bombarded with marketing messages, a genuine human voice stands out, cutting through the noise and resonating with authenticity. Ambassadors help, not just sell, they provide guidance, support, and valuable insights. They're transforming visitors into fans, building a loyal community around the brand. They're the digital shopkeepers, the friendly faces behind the screen, offering that personal touch no ad can replicate, creating a connection that goes beyond a simple transaction. Ready to see what this role is really about? Let's dive in and explore the world of e-commerce brand ambassadors. So, what does an e-commerce brand ambassador do all day? Well, a typical day starts with that essential cup of coffee and diving straight into the dashboard, checking messages, analyzing data, and tackling a range of customer questions. You're the first point of contact, the problem solver, and the voice of the brand. You're not just answering the repetitive "where's my order?" You're solving real, sometimes unique problems, like showing a customer exactly how to use a product feature via a quick personalized video tutorial. You proactively hunt for brand mentions online across various platforms, jump into relevant conversations, offering support and building relationships, and offer genuinely helpful tips and advice, skillfully turning potential critics into curious and engaged followers. And of course, content creation is a key part of the job, because sometimes a simple, well-made video showing the features of a product, like a leak-proof cup, can preemptively answer hundreds of questions and save everyone time. You also share valuable customer feedback and insights directly with the marketing team, directly influencing real product changes and improvements based on customer needs. Every single interaction is treated as a valuable opportunity to learn, adapt, and improve the overall customer experience. It's a continuous cycle. Listen intently, provide helpful assistance, create engaging content, carefully analyze the data, and then repeat the process. And by the end of the day, you've genuinely made a positive difference, both for the brand you represent and, most importantly, for its valued customers. It might not always be glamorous, but it's undeniably impactful and rewarding. And that's the real, authentic highlight reel of an e-commerce brand ambassador. The job isn't easy. Emotional burnout is real. You face angry customers, lost packages, and the pressure to always be on. Setting boundaries is crucial. You can't help others if you're running on empty. The winning mindset, radical empathy, resilience, and relentless curiosity. You solve problems, spot patterns, and turn tough moments into insights. Great ambassadors don't just react, they prevent issues before they start. That's what makes this role strategic, not just supportive. Success here takes more than friendliness. You need sharp writing, active listening, and quick, authentic content creation skills. Tools like Zendesk, Hootsuite, and analytics platforms are your digital toolkit. The perks: competitive pay, remote flexibility, and autonomy. This job is a launchpad. Move up to community management, strategy, or content creation. The skills you gain, empathy, communication, data analysis, are gold for any future career. You get a 360-degree view of customers and real business impact. It's a role built for growth. Worried about AI taking over your job? Seeing headlines about automation and feeling a little uneasy? Don't be. Take a deep breath. The future isn't about robots replacing humans, but about humans and AI working together. AI handles the repetitive stuff, the data crunching, the tasks that frankly no one really enjoys doing, freeing you to build real relationships, the kind that foster loyalty and create lasting impact. Something only humans can do. It's about understanding unspoken needs, reading body language, and offering genuine support. Your edge is empathy, that ability to truly connect with another person on an emotional level. Creativity, the spark of innovation that leads to new solutions and fresh perspectives, and genuine connection. These are the qualities that AI can't replicate. Use AI as a tool, not a rival. Embrace it as a powerful assistant that amplifies your abilities. Let it handle basics while you focus on high-impact conversations, the ones that truly matter to your customers and your brand. The ambassador role is evolving. It's becoming more strategic, more human-centric. You're not just customer service, you're not just answering questions. You're the brand's heart online, the voice that resonates with customers and builds lasting trust. As long as people value human connection, as long as they seek understanding and empathy, this job matters. Ready to be that bridge? Ready to connect with customers on a deeper level? Start by observing your favorite brands and see who's doing it right. Pay attention to the tone, the approach, and the way they build relationships. Your next career move could start with one great conversation, one connection that leads to a world of opportunity.